don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Dortmund 4. I'm joined by the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football.
London.
Oh, London.
I'm a bodyguard.
It's London. One, two, three, four. General. General, we can't guide
Mayele celebration.
Fisting.
Feasting Mayele celebration.
Oh.
Hrotmani, allow me to say this, Hrotman.
Sure.
Mayele, he must know that it's welcome and loved in South Africa.
Sure.
I will say to him, at least if he can come to South Africa 3 or 4 years, then he will go to Saudi Arabia after.
Yeah.
For myself, because of his loved, I don't care which team he play for,
Yeah.
as long as he came to the South Africa.
Sure.
Either Chiefs or Sundowns or Pirates, any team, he's loved and welcome.
General.
Hrotmani, let's get to America.
Bualin.
Hrotmani, I'm so proud ka Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
Mamelodi Sundowns, they've lost this game.
Yeah.
But with a full confidence, Hrotmani, get proud to come Mamelodi Sundowns. Why I'm saying this, Hrotmani, many people, they will look at the result of the game, but not looking at the philosophy of the game.
Yeah. Peter General.
Ebe ka khotsanyana.
Peter General.
Hrotmani, e re ke iphete. Most of people, they will look at the result of the game today, not looking at the philosophy of the game. Hrotmani, looking at a PSL team like Mamelodi Sundowns, going to America, compete with a German team, BVB, and they lose 4-3, Hrotmani. Against Team Elori, they were defending. People, they will say, I was not watching the same football in the leads. But Oscar Sheba Bolo Hrotmani ka emotion. Oscar Sheba Bolo Hrotmani ka haters. Sheba Bolo ka philosophy. Hrotmani, if Usheba Bolo ka lethoyo, o ka se bone what is happening on the pitch already, because of we are expecting something solo otlokono benta ka sona. At the end of the day, we can bet, but let's talk football. Hrotmani, Sundowns, I'll say for them, they must be proud losing against that team ka 4-3.
Yeah.
Why ke resource tibone? Team ele mo for goal ele. 2 goal ke di mistake tsa Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
2 goal ke mistake tsa bona self. If they can work
On those mistakes,
it will be something different. Ne?
Yeah.
Number 2, Hrotmani. Ne? Team ele, we bonor neirang. Towards from 70-something minutes, they were defending. I was so disappointed. A team like BVB, it can't defend against Mamelodi Sundowns. Why I'm saying they were defending Hrotmani, go back to the clip video. Look from 70-something until 90-something. They're not all team back. What they were doing is to try to beat Mamelodi Sundowns counter-attack. Ne? Immediately they allow Sundowns to build from the back. But eba fitha ko sentem ba grepe Sundowns from the middle. So then ba khwenisha paka di counter attack. It's unfortunately barkemang Lunga le Mudau ne ba palla ko cover di space kanako. Wa tlhalohanya. Then ko mora ho na le ke kana le mang Cupido. Wa tlhalohanya Hrotman. But I will say, my brother, credit to Cardoso. Hrotmani, Cardoso umfa view enwe elore I disrespected him too much. But player higher yako Club World Cup, already if you can check, is different ka player higher yako Cave. I was asking myself why he didn't play as performance higher yako Club World Cup. Why aside Gadisa ko Cave? We should have different language. Hrotmani, looking at Williams, Ashapa a mistake all over back pass ya assist. It's a but I will say no. I don't want to cook him, but I want to say you know, if you are playing on the pitch, we don't see similar as people who are sitting at the back.
Yes.
Ko di standing or ko kae.
Yes, yes.
Grootman, it was a game plan. Team Sundowns, they were pounds to pounds. Le Team A.
Yeah.
What that tells you?
Iring general.
South Africa, no, e re ke re team tsa Africa. Ba re nyaditse
Kada.
in Europe. Ne? But Sundowns today, they've proved horing Europe are better than Africa.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying this?
Yeah, yeah.
Grootman, like team e tlang Africa, e pounds to pounds. Pounds to pounds. Sundowns was supposed to defend, play low block, but Sundowns didn't play low block and defend. They were going pounds to pounds.
Yeah.
If you want proof for that, Grootman, ball position, Sundowns.
Yes.
And 50-something, 30-something, it's a questionable. Allow me to say, ball position,
Yeah.
the passes,
Yeah.
passes, it's a Sundowns in the gala, 2 trap and pass.
Sure,
Now,
Jimmy.
I can tell you, 530-something. Against 300 and something.
Oh.
Against Happy BVB team.
Yo.
What does that tell you?
Yes. Jenny. Explain what it means.
Steve, let me explain what it is means. Ne?
Yeah.
Babambari ball position e landana buang ka yona. I know they will say this.
Comment in.
And then the passes it's buang ka tsona. Are you winning game? But the question is against who? Sheba hore you are playing against who? And the lose area Sundowns is not determining the end of the road. That really gives you the confidence to fight. Why? Because you should be proud the way how you played today.
That's right.
And if you become proud the way how you play today, then you started to say, no man, team ever yo dhalan le Sundowns yo dhalan leona no.
Yeah.
Powerful. Brazilian.
Yeah.
But if today they want pounds to pounds with this one, believe me, team ele I drawile le team ne re dlala le Sundowns ne dlala le ona today.
Yeah.
Then it shows you that Sundowns already you know that they are not going to play low block or defensive, but they are going to go pounds to pounds with that team. Only if they can fix their mistakes. Because the team tsa ka mokgwa di ke di bona ba re dile Sundowns. Sundowns ke ona team number 1 team in Africa ona bia no ko Club World Cup they are doing well. Which other team we boning e tlang Africa e lore ina le e win how many goal Sundowns previous game?
It was
1-0. Okay. Sundowns, they've got 4 goals now.
Yeah.
Which other team in Africa? Elore na 4 goals.
Aye.
Or which other team in Africa? Elore ikorile 3 goals in 1 game.
Aye.
That tell you that PSL
Standard.
standard is better than even Egyptian standard.
Al
Grootman, we are better than Al Ahly Pyramid or Esfa or any team Casablanca combined. Ne?
Yeah.
And that should be a motivation to Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Don't look at the Kalitholelela Lethoyo. Be proud because of that team. It's on a PSL, and if that team is placed with us in a PSL, the question is why can't we be there as well? It shows you that it's easy for you to be there. Just work hard so then you can be there. Maybe you will do better than even Sundowns if you can reach there.
Man of the match, Jenny.
Grootman,
How you
for
mean?
myself, before I give you a man of the match, let me ask a cameraman to allow me to do this.
Yes, Jenny.
You see a player like a Reynas. You see a player like a Lunga. Maui. Grootman, Reynas Lunga.
Yeah.
If I was a God, but God have already make it possible for them. They are shining and they are shining our flag. Grootman, why I'm saying this, ne? They won't say, like, akebone batlo bua mo Mzansi.
What's my salary?
Batlo ba signa bale. Shaba pace ya Reynas. We need a striker like Reynas in a country.
Hey, man.
Who else can do it like Reynas? One tlhalohanya. So I'm saying, I suspect they won't come back. Lunga is out of class.
Out of class.
Out of class. Performance ya higher ibile. Even someone who's giving him instruction, I think is shocked. Because he's applying more than what the
Yeah, more than instruction.
man of the match. like you said. For the first time ever, Grootman, Stibo, ever since Cardoso a fitla ka mo.
Yeah.
Kenya ko mo fa ntho e ke mo fang yona today.
Move.
Man of the match ha ka tloba coach Cardoso. Grootman pace e Sundowns game ya today mfowethu.
Yeah.
Game ya previous game eba fetsang ho wina 1-0.
Sure.
Ne, you know ne. Yo, Grootman, many people they were waiting this day for Sundowns to lose.
Yeah.
But it's a questionable because of the record, the result. They're still there.
Still number 1?
Save this clip is Tibone. Nalo and Naratoba di Kaz.
Yeah.
Sundowns is going last 16. Sundowns. No, it's okay, brother Mdao. No, no, allow him. Yeah. Brother Mdao, where are you? You are sitting home here with us. But you say Sundowns can't reach last 16. Thank you, brother Steve.
Thank you. They're coming back.